Hello all, welcome to Cloud4Green Technologies. So in this video, we will study about what are the opportunities in digital marketing. So if you learn digital marketing, what are the advantages? So you can become a professional blogger. So nowadays, bloggers are earning in lakhs. So you can earn with affiliate marketing and AdSense. So like you can create a channel in YouTube and you can create a good content and then you can monetize it. So you can start as a freelancing service. So if you want to do freelancing, that also you can do. So you can take freelance projects and start working on it. Or you can begin your own digital marketing agency. As I earlier told, you can become a YouTuber. So you can create your own channel and create a valuable content for the audience. Then you can monetize it by using AdSense. Then comes you can drop shipping. So then comes content writer, social media marketing expert, then SEO specialist. So there are various opportunities you will get in digital marketing. So there are like n number of opportunities. So you can like become a Google Ads expert, Facebook Ads expert, Instagram Ads expert. There are many more things. So we will learn in upcoming videos one by one. So thank you for now.